A university for humanity characterized by productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character for sustainable societies. Welcome to the Bicol University, the premier university in the Bicol region. The Bicol University has 7 campuses dispersed over the region, and it is the dwelling place of the top-notchers in the field of accountancy, engineering, midwifery, nursing, social work, and education. All BUNU students are embodied by the 4 pillars of the university: the leadership, scholarship, character, and service.
One of its reputable and scholarly colleges is the home of remarkable and outstanding individuals. Basta magaling, sa silbi ng galing!
The BU College of Business, Economics, and Management is comprised of 4 departments: Department of Economics, Department of Management, Department of Entrepreneurship, and Department of Accountancy. They offer the following courses: AB in Economics, BS in Accountancy, BS in Entrepreneurship, BS in Management, BSBA majors in Financial Management, Human Resources Development Management, Marketing Management, and Microfinance and Operations and Services Management.
Through its diverse intracurricular and extracurricular activities, CBEM provides an excellent environment and wholesome, meaningful experience for students pursuing future careers in business administration, accountancy, and economics. Programs that BU has to offer. Bicol University is known for producing top-notchers, and the Department of Accountancy won't hold back for its outstanding accomplishment as top-performing school in the CPA licensure examination.
Within its campus, a lot of aspiring future CPAs are making their dreams come true. Accountancy students are required to take a total of 191 units in order to graduate in the program. They are honed with its quality instruction and programs, learning approaches with competent and committed management, CPA licensure examination coaching, highly qualified professionals imbued with the value of industry, nationalism and integrity, and student and graduate support. Indeed, we could prove how the accountancy department in BU-CBEM has already mentored and produced many CPALE top-notchers. But what does it take to be a BUNU under the BSA program?
Aside from investing in accounting books, you should also invest enough courage, determination, and dedication sa BSA program. Since kung i-consider mo yung presence ng stress and pressure, never yung mawawala, especially iba ang demands ng BSA.
Why did you choose to stay in the BSA program?
There is no turning back now. The family and I already have invested a lot on it. Money, time, effort. So I should not waste all of them dahil lang sa nahihirapan ako. Mapapagod ako but I will never give up.
Any pieces of advice for those aspiring BSA students at Bicol University?
Enjoy the process. Inherent naman yung struggles, doubts, and such. Pero rewarding naman yung mga small wins. And mas magiging fulfilling ang credit nito in the end.
Quoting what our professor told us during our freshman year, the torch we have is only small enough to illuminate specific areas. But as we move along, the light becomes brighter and the surroundings become much clearer. Just like studying accountancy, it would be difficult to grasp all of the necessary requirements, knowledge, and skills, but with hard work and perseverance, we will shine through.
In Bicol University, we will shine not only as scholars ng bayan, but as leaders honed with characters and values capable of radiating compassionate service to the community.
Be one of us.
Be a CBEM. Choose be as accountancy. Intensify the spark of your burning passion. Here is Bicol University.